Electro & Co sent me $2,000 in upgrades, nearly tripling the power of my RTR Lite. We're going to test it on the street and then sneak on a closed track. I'm not going to let a little park maintenance to the single track and the ATV track stop me. So we parked at the park instead of the ATV park. We're going to ride around the park. This bike is just amazing, guys. After the 6.7 kit was added and the Dead Revolver Alpha motor, it's just amazing. I mean, it's like my E-Ride Pro 2.0, but better. I love this bike.
Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh, they're building actual tracks out here? Oh, wow, they're building like actual tracks. What? Wait, why are there crosses? I'm so confused. Oh, fuck. Oh, bro, that's sick as fuck. I can't fucking hear my bike running, dude. That root, brother. I'm getting eerily close to where they're working, so I think I should turn around now. Oh, dude, that's fire. Okay, I think I should go back now. Because they're like right there. They blocked the gates off on the other side. I had to go to the park to sneak in.
If you're liking this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe.
This is how she's doing on like just cruising on a trail with a 230-pound grown man. She's handling it absolutely no trouble. Last time I came here, I had issues like getting up shit. Oh, kind of like that. But this time, we're having a bit less trouble. Like it just fucking handles. Even on spots, it's really not supposed to. Like I'm steadily going up this hill with almost no trouble. The RTR Lite could not do that. Oh. Oh. You can't fuck up with this TrueMoto upgraded kit, honestly. It ate that fucking trail like a fat bitch at a buffet. Come on now. You let Electro Co cook, 13 kilowatt. They're about to drop the Alpha, which is shipping right now in the next week or so, which is 18 kilowatt. And that's just the beginning. They're going to keep going from there, guys. I guarantee you in the next 2 years, we're going to have a 35 kilowatt production model. They have the kits for dirt bikes, but there will be a production 35 kilowatt model. I guarantee it. They're killing it. 13 right here. You can play with it some. I have the torque maxed out. If you obviously you ride more than I do and you hit trails more than I do, this would be a piece of cake. But it handled everything. It handled hills, slow starts, whatever I threw at it. I love this thing.
All right, we are at 92% battery. We are topped out in torque. We are topped out in everything, dude. What is the actual acceleration of the RTR Lite upgraded with the TrueMoto 6+7 kit and a larger battery? 230 pounds, 6 foot tall. It used to take the entire length of this road for me to get to 40 miles per hour. Let's see where we're at now. Halfway, at the halfway mark, dude. Man, I ain't even gonna lie. 0 to 30 in 4 seconds, that's pretty nice. And no turbo mode involved. That's probably my favorite thing about it. I love this thing. That's insanity. So the best I could get with my confidence of not looping it and my big self was 4 seconds, 0 to 30. 40 was right behind it. This thing is insanity. The ramp up behind that 30 mark is incredible.